Hi guys, hello peoples. I just found a baby bird in the pool for some reason. I don't know how he got here. Gene found it, and then he told me. A common minor. Hello, don't want to touch him too much. And Gene's finding a bucket, so we're gonna put him on the fence so his mother can just feed him. Because here his mother can't feed him, so we're gonna feed him. We're gonna put him on the fence or the tree next to the fence, and then his mother can just come and feed him. He's still a chick. You can see he's starting to get his flight feathers, but still lots of fluff. Gene's getting a bucket. Oh no, no, what are you doing to the guy? No, 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 you can't do this. No, no, no. It's fine, it's fine. No. Jade! Jade! Hurry up! He's gonna... He's useless. What do you think I'm doing? Getting a bucket because you're effing useless.
Hurry up, it's drowning. You can grab it by your hand. There's a little bucket there. You're going to drop your phone.
Okay.
Be slowly.
Now come here. Into the bucket.
No one's videotaping the rescue.
Of course I am. No, not yet.
Hold the camera while he's saving you.
I can't. I need two hands.
Just grab him. Don't be afraid. That's all. He knows you're there to help him.
No, he doesn't want to let go.
He will let go. He knows you're there to help him.
Come on, get down, little guy. It's fine.
Don't be afraid to grab him.
Come on.
My boy. Though he nicks you, it doesn't matter. Just grab him, put him on the concrete.
You should. Hello.
No, oh. He can't fly, so. Nah.
Baby,
He's a little baby.
why'd you let him go for?
Well, I just. No, don't do that.
Pick him up.
Don't
Like
do-
that, from the back. Right, that's it. Pick him up. He won't bite you.
Okay.
Just hold him. Just don't drop him now.
No.
Okay, this
Pay
kid's.
attention to what you're doing. So get away from the pool.
Put him on a tree.
Put him on top of the fence.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. Here you go. Yeah. It's fine. Come on.
He likes your hand. Looks like you got a new pet.
Yeah, I can't keep him.
Why not?
Mother's here still.
Where is she?
I don't know, but I know you have to keep him somewhere so the cat doesn't get him. So up here, if he's gonna land, and then the mother can still feed him from here. Flies down. Come get off. Come on, good.
No, put him on a tree or something.
Good boy or girl.
Oh,
Take some good photos.
take some good photos.
I took.
And then put him somewhere safe, okay?
This is fair. Don't move, okay?
Dry himself off. It's alright.
Don't jump off. That's the safest area for you. Remember,
No, don't just leave him there. Or maybe he can still get him.
maybe he's not here, is she?
Yeah, but he can still get him. Like jump up and it's just easy.
He's so annoying
Like
sometimes,
you
man.
can see baby just climb up these giant trees, man.
Yeah, I guess there's a magpie over there too. Okay, I'll just stay with him then. I'm not your mother. Hey, He hasn't imprinted on me because he already had. You see, he's already had this little flight feathers.
Yeah, but we have to
These-
put him on a tree or something.
These feathers, and he has fluff. So that means he's at least a few months old, or maybe a month old.
Is there a shirt down there on the ground?
Then see if it's his mother's here somewhere.
Yeah, I'll grab my shirt.
Where would his mother be? He's gonna be fine. He's gonna be fine. Nothing probably will get him. But he's out in the open, so maybe put him in the tree. Good little baby. You'll find, right? Here you are. Okay. And that's all for today. See ya. See ya.